All right, very quick one, guys. I want to show you guys how to catch multiple spikes very easily. So stay tuned, make sure you watch this video to the end, and you will get value from this. Trust me, guys, you'll get value from this video. So I'll be showing you very powerful indicators that you can combine, of course, with price action, like I usually say, to make sure that you have a very strong entry and then you catch multiple spikes. You will be amazed, guys. Just stay close. But before we get on, guys, I want you guys to help me subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that when I post a new strategy, you will be notified. I don't want you to miss out on any of these stuff, guys. I don't want anybody to miss out. It's very important that nobody misses any of this. So, yep, pardon my voice. I have been battling malaria for a while, and I'm much better now, and I thank God for that. Recently, my people from my VIP channels are really making money, and trust me, guys, what I do is trade price action, combine these indicators, and make good entries. That's how we get signals, guys. That's how we get important signals to trade on, and then we make money. We make a lot of money, guys. Let me take you guys to our channel. You are free to join us here. It's very important that you join us here so you can see for yourself what's been happening. We share tips. These are our profits. We make profitable trades because we only give high profitable signals, guys. Yep, this is our channel. This information is for people who know how to trade the market using price action. So if you want to catch spikes, right, I'm going to share this secret. I'm going to share this tip. It's very easy. So yeah, you want to catch spikes, it's just as easy as for you to know your market's trend. Yeah, for boom 1,500 or all of that, for anything boom, make sure the market is in an uptrend, right? Make sure the market is in an uptrend, and then you have your charts. You know price action, right? You know your support, the resistance, and all of that. So you target the market where it is. So you target the market where it is at your support, and then you take it by from that level. Area of value is very important. Make sure you enter from your area of value. And what will happen is you catching multiple spikes. You just have to be sure that the market is in an uptrend for boom, right? That's for boom. The market is in a proper uptrend. You see a series of higher highs and higher lows and all that. Okay, let me cut that there. I just wanted to show you guys that we share tips. We share a lot of tips. We teach our subscribers what to do to grow their small accounts. So we can go back now to our Meta 5, so I can show you guys how these things are done. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to use these very powerful indicators. You combine them and you get multiple spikes. You catch them like professionals and you make money. You make a lot of money, guys. I want everybody to make money. That is my passion. I want to see. I am very happy when I see people from my channel, from my Telegram channel, come on my WhatsApp to tell me that they are happy, they are making money, they share their profits and all of that. It makes me happy, guys. It makes me happy. So I'm doing this to encourage some of you that are not on my Telegram. I urge you guys to to join my Telegram. It's free. You can join my free Telegram. I share free signals, and I also give tips on how to grow your small account. So for the sake of this video, right, I will go straight to it. Let me first of all show you guys how to set up these indicators so that you won't be found wanting. So yes, go to your chart, go to your indicators. This is how to set it up. For those of you who don't know how to set up your indicators, this is where you go first, right? This is where you go first. You click that F icon there, and then you click that F icon and you'll be able to see where to add your indicators. So the first indicator we'll be using for this strategy, right, is our average directional movement index. So you add that first. As soon as you add that, it will create your indicator window for you automatically, guys. This is for the new guys who don't know about this, right? So once you click that first F symbol that I showed you, you go straight here, you click here and add your average directional movement. This is it. You can see the setting. I want you to screenshot it. I don't want this video to be very long, guys. I want you to screenshot it and set it up at your convenience. Yeah, look at the levels. It's very important. It's very important. Look at the levels. Screenshot it and take your time to set it up. Right? Okay, let me take you guys here. This is it. You can decide to label your levels. You can decide to label this and all of that, but it's not necessary. So you see the style 2 pixel. Once you're done with that, you go back and click done. You click done. That's it. You click done, right? And then it will bring up this indicator windows, right? To bring up this indicator window 1, and then you'll be able to add other indicators to this part. You go back here, and the next one you should add is the commodity channel index. See the setting. I don't want to waste any time, so you guys should just screenshot it and set it up. You see the period is 14. Apply to typical price. Styles 2 pixel. You can choose any color of your choice, but make sure the color is bright enough or is visible in your charts. Don't use colors that will not be visible on your charts. You see the level minus 100 and 100. When you're done with that, you simply click done. That's it. You click done right there. Okay. And then the next one you should add is the moving average. Period 10, moving average, shift close, method simple, apply to close, shift 0, yeah, method simple, apply to close. Styles, you see 4 pixel. You can choose any color that you like, but like I said earlier, always keep it at colors that won't or that will be visible, yeah, on your screen. It's very important. You have to see what is going on. You have to see them clearly, right? You're done with that, you click done right there. You click done. You add the next one, which is the moving average. Was that the moving average? Yeah, that was the moving average. So you add market facilitation index. Let me show you guys the moving average again, in case that was not what I just finished showing you. Okay, that is it. Click done, and you add the next one, the market facilitation index. Screenshot it, guys. I don't want any waste of time. Screenshot it. Right? Parameters, you see volumes, it's tick, line width, you see 4 pixel, styles, MFI up, volume up, you see green. You can choose your colors, guys, but keep it at colors that will be visible on your screen, right? You can just quickly screenshot it. So that we can get to the real deal, guys. All right, you click done. As soon as you're done with that, you click done. All right, the trade is still running. It has not spiked yet. Okay, so this is it. This is for boom. Anything boom, boom 500, boom 1000, boom 300, right? The idea is for you to be sure of what you are doing, you have to apply price action. It's very important. That is because, I'm not going to lie to you, these indicators lag sometimes, right? Price might be going and indicators will be following it behind and all of that. So for you to be on the safe side, guys, you should be able to read your charts, know where your resistance and your support is, know your levels, know your area of values, know all of that. That is why you need to know price action. You know how to use the trend lines if you have to. And first of all, for this, it is important for you to know your market structure, right? Is the market in, I didn't check this, all right? That is probably why it is taking time to spike. All right, I'm just doing this video to show you guys how this works. All right, so for you to be sure that you are ready to catch spikes, you need to know where the market is headed. It's very important you know where the market is going to. And for boom, remember, you're looking to buy if you want to catch spikes. For boom, you're looking to buy, so you have to be sure that the market is in an uptrend, right? How do you know when the market is in an uptrend? You see your series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows, and that's when you are sure that the market is in an uptrend. And when the market is in an uptrend, how do you know when to enter properly so you can catch spikes without having to take a lot of losses, right? So the market is in an uptrend, and you already know your area of values. You know where your support and your resistance are, right? And then you wait patiently for market to come to your support and resistance, right? For boom, you're looking for the market to wait. You're looking for the market to come to your support, and then, right, the market is your support, and then you come to your indicators that you've added, right? You come to your indicators. This is for further confirmation. Remember, I always emphasize the need to learn price action. It is very important. Get yourself a mentor that can teach you price action. You can enroll in my mentorship program. It is very affordable. You can, if you don't have the time to learn though, you can also take signals. I give VIP signals like I showed you earlier. I give very high profitable signals or high probability signals that win all the time. We win all the time in our VIP channels, right? So you have already set up your indicator windows and you have all your indicators ready, right? So this is it. You simply allow your moving average, this brown line here, you allow it to come to this level where we call oversold level here. You allow it to come to this level. You can see, let me use this brush to highlight that. This is it. Allow price to come to, I don't think that's not clear enough. So let me take that again. All right, I'm going to use the arrow now. So you allow price to come to this level, right? Allow this indicator, the brown moving average, the brown line you're seeing here, allow it to come to that level, and then what's going to happen next is a spike. This is it. You can see your moving average came to this level, and the next thing that happened was a spike, right? Was a spike. Okay, for you to be on the safe side, I advise you let the first spike to happen. Right? Allow the first spike to go. Don't feel like you've missed out, right? Allow the first spike to go, and then what happens next after the first spike goes? See this black line here? If you see this black line, then there is definitely going to be another spike. Like in the case here, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This is it. You see, there was another spike. So after the first spike, if you did not catch the first spike, right, then you will definitely catch the second spike. That's how you make money, guys. That's how you make money. This is very simple. You just have to follow the rules, right? You just have to follow the rules, follow the principles, and you are good. This is another one. This is a perfect example where your moving average comes to the oversold level here, right? And this means that sellers are becoming few, right? They're becoming less, and buyers are becoming more. More buyers are coming in. All right. So at this point, buyers are going to push the price up. That's why it spikes to the upside. Remember, this is boom. So it spikes to the upside soon as, not every time, it doesn't happen every single time though. So this happens when when your indicator comes to this level. Remember, you already know that the market is at your area of value. That's your support for boom that you want to buy. So you have to allow the market to come to your support, and then you look for candlesticks. You check out for candlesticks, the rejection candlesticks that shows you that price is going to go up, and then you look at your indicators and you see that this is at this level. There's definitely going to be a spike, like in the case here, right? Now remember, I said if there is a black line here, if this black line comes up, remember I said there was going to be another spike, right? See how long this spike is. But okay, this would have been a winning trade, but it's also very risky, so you don't enter such trades, right? Look at this one that I showed you before. Look at this one. Indicator came here and there was this black line, there was another spike. But in the case here, in this case here, this other place, indicator came here, there was a spike, and there was no black line here, so there was no other spike, right? There was no other spike. So this is how this thing works. It's very simple. You just have to follow those principles and you are good. It's very simple. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will drop my WhatsApp link on the description of this video. I'll also drop the link to my Telegram group, so you can join our free Telegram and see how it works. You can take our free signals once in a while to boost your account, or you can join our VIP channel where we share daily. We don't fail to share VIP signals every day. We don't fail to share VIP signals, 3 to 6 VIP signals every day. All of us are making money. Everyone is making money. Everyone is happy, and that is what we are about. So take a time, go through this video, practice it with your demo. It's very important. Practice with your demo, and once you are good with it, you can go in with your live account. Take a time, guys. Learn and learn and learn again. Take care till we meet again.